Hello, and we are back again. Well, I want to show you, after 10 minutes, we have our incredible potato skins. So the cheese is nice and brown, that bacon is nice and crisp, the skins are a little crisp to them too. For those of you who notice, we now have a proper microphone. We're using a lavalier microphone. Thank you very much to the person who sent me this through Amazon. No clue who you are. It just said from a fan, so thank you ever so much. You'll notice in the first bit, the green light wasn't on, because I forgot you had to turn them on. So we'll see between the first and the second half the difference in the sound quality. But for now, let's try these potato skins. If you see in the time in the back, it's 9:45 in the morning, so this is breakfast still. Let's try. These are really hot. Mm. Wow. Mm. Other than a mouthful of burnt flesh, those taste really good. Cheese is so nice and stretchy. Bacon, really crisp. Nice smoky taste. Potato, the skin is crispy, but the little bit that we left inside is nice and soft. So good. Serve these with your favorite sides. If you like sour cream, go for it. I just like them as is. Or drizzle of olive oil, always very, very nice. So good. Mm. Oh, hot though. Wow. Our Monte Cristo is also now in the air fryer. Same thing, 400. You're going to give it about 10 minutes. You can do it in the oven as well, a little bit longer. I would go 350 for 15 to 20 minutes to make sure it's all fully cooked, nice and crisp. So once that comes out, we'll come back and we'll show you what the Monte Carlo is like. See you all again soon. And we are back for one final time. We have our Monte Carlo potato. The cheese has gone all nice and brown, as you can see. The bacon, of course, is nice and crisp. This is going to be hot all the way through. The butter, all nice and melted in there. I did put a little pepper, a little salt on there after, but just like the potato skin, everything is really nice. You can't go wrong. You're taking really mashed potatoes, putting them in a potato skin, making them all nice and crisp and hot with the cheese and the bacon and everything. Incredible side. I'm not actually going to finish this now. This is going with my steak for dinner tonight. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Quick one, but 2 recipes, super fast, both from the Brown Derby in Disney World, Florida. Again, I keep going to say California. I'm so used to Hollywood and California. Oh well. Let me know what you think of the microphone. Did it make a difference from previous videos? From what I've listened to, I think it has. I really hope you liked this. If you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe. It's free and it helps me out immensely. Again, thank you to whoever sent me this microphone. It's a great addition to the videos. So until next time, my name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef, and we will see you all again real soon. Have a great day.